In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move elements in Canva, whether you're designing a presentation, creating social media graphics, or working on a personal project. Knowing how to maneuver elements around your canvas can make all the difference in achieving a polished and professional look. First, let's start by heading over to Canva's website. Open up your web browser and type in canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. You can find the Login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that, and then proceed by selecting Continue to head to the login screen. If you prefer using Google to log in, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Canva makes it easy by integrating with Google, so choose your account from the list that pops up. After selecting your account, click on Continue, and you're in. Next, locate and open the project you'd like to work with, which contains the images or elements you plan to move. Once you're in your project, the first step in moving an element is to click on the element you want to adjust. It's as simple as a click, and you should see a selection box around it indicating that it's ready to be moved. With the element selected, click and hold to drag it to your desired spot on the canvas. This click and drag method is intuitive and allows you to reposition elements easily. And if you're not quite happy with the first position you chose, don't worry. You can click and drag the element again to find a location that suits your layout better. Now, if you're dealing with several elements that need to move together, there's a neat trick you can use. Simply hold down the Shift key before you click on each of the elements you want to select. By doing this, you're able to select multiple elements at once, creating a multi-selection. This can be incredibly helpful for keeping your design aligned and cohesive as you move components around. Once you've got all the elements you want selected, you can now move them simultaneously, just as you would with a single element. Click and drag the group to the new location on the canvas. This feature saves you a ton of time compared to moving each element individually and ensures that the relative positions stay intact. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now equipped to easily move elements around in Canva, making your design process smoother and more efficient. Give it a try in your next project to see how much quicker you can achieve the perfect layout. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Canva.